very strong, like quadriceps femoris. Similarly, this is also strong, tibialis anterior. Then below tibialis anterior, you have, for this extensor compartment, you have some extensor muscles. One is called extensor digitorum longus. Cell HF, extensor hallucis word is for the big toe. So this one goes to the big toe. Like in upper limb, we had extensor pollicis longus. Pollicis is for thumb. Here, hallucis is for big toe. This will have 4 tendons. Will go to the 4 digits, and this will have only one big toe. पाँव का जो बड़ा लीड होता है big toe. The fourth muscle called peroneus. Plain synovial joint. The movements there are inversion and eversion. I had told you inversion was by tibialis anterior and tibialis posterior, and eversion was by 3 muscle, peroneus longus, peroneus brevis, and peroneus tertius. So this is the peroneus tertius. In the lateral of peroneal compartment, you have 2 muscle, peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Now, very important, peroneal compartment, you have 2 peroneal, but the third peroneal muscle, peroneus tertius, is not in the lateral. This is a very important MCQ. This is not in the lateral compartment. It is in which compartment? Anterior compartment. Whereas longus and brevis are in the peroneal compartment. Peroneus tertius is also a peroneal muscle, but it is not in the peroneal compartment. It is in the anterior compartment. A very, very important MCQ. Then in posterior compartment, you have 2 group of muscles, deep muscles and superficial muscles. The deep muscles will go according to the anterior compartment. This is tibialis anterior. So here we will have tibialis posterior. This is extensor digitorum longus. So here we will have flexor digitorum longus. 4 tendons. Flexor. This is extensor hallucis longus. So here we will have flexor hallucis longus. 1 tendon. Clear? This is peroneus tertius. There is no more peroneus muscle. So instead we have a muscle here called popliteus. What is this muscle called? Popliteus. This popliteus is also known as unlocking muscle of the knee joint. I'll tell you locking and unlocking later on. The deep muscle. Then comes your superficial muscles. In the posterior flexor compartment of leg, the superficial muscles are gastrocnemius, which has 2 heads, lateral head and medial head. This is superficial, most superficial. The calf of the leg, the posterior portion, the bulge of the leg is caused by this gastrocnemius. This bulge in calf is caused by this muscle. Then just below the gastrocnemius, you have another deep muscle which is called soleus. And this soleus is known as peripheral heart of the body. because it has veins, deep veins inside it, inside its substance. So when it contracts, it pushes the venous blood upwards towards the heart. It pumps the venous blood upwards to the heart. That's why it is called peripheral heart of the body. So what is the function of heart? To pump blood. So soleus pumps the blood upwards, venous blood. The deep veins are inside the substance of soleus muscle. So when the soleus contracts, the venous blood is pumped towards the heart. So that's why it is called peripheral heart of the body. Now this gastrocnemius and soleus together, they are known as triceps surae. Sura word is for the posterior compartment of leg. Sura, sural nerve, sural vein. Sura means posterior compartment of leg. Triceps 1, 2, and 3. So together they are known as triceps surae. And both these muscles, triceps surae, they have a common tendon of insertion. Muscles origin is different, but they have a common tendon of insertion. Which muscles? Which muscle have common tendons? Gastrocnemius and soleus. Gastrocnemius 2 head, lateral and medial. That's why it becomes 3. 1, 2, 3. These muscles have a common tendon of insertion, which is called tendo Achilles, also known as tendo. Very, very important MCQ this is, calcaneus. This is the strongest tendon of the body. Still, in spite of being the strongest tendon of the body, this muscle is very frequently ruptured in the athletes because this gastrocnemius is the main muscle for running and walking. Understand? So this tendon Achilles, where is it inserted? It is inserted into the posterior surface of calcaneum. Remember calcaneum, the heel bone. Middle part. If you remember, like this was the calcaneum, this forms a heel. So this is divided into 3 parts, upper part, middle part, and lower part. So this tendo Achilles muscle tendon is coming from above. Okay, common tendon of these 3 and is inserted here. This is the tendon. A very long and strong tendon. Tendo. This is the bone, calcaneum. The heel bone. So this gastrocnemius and soleus, this gastrocnemius forms the bulge in the calf, lateral head, medial head, 2 heads. Gastrocnemius and soleus together are called triceps surae, and they have a common tendon of insertion. This common tendon of insertion is called tendo Achilles or tendo calcaneus. This is the strongest tendon of the body, and it is inserted into the posterior surface of calcaneum. Which part? Middle part. Upper part, middle part, lower part. This upper part is covered by bursa. Upper part is covered by bursa, and the lower middle part is here. Now if you come here,